Got to get it, Papa. Alright, well, I'm at a very peaceful place just outside Palestine, Texas. And I saw this from the road, so I had to stop and take a look. But check that out. This is in the graveyard. And one thing I noticed is that they're very creative with the headstones or tombstones, depending on how you say it, to reflect what people's interests were, their jobs, their hobbies, things like that. So there are a lot of real, very sculptural tombstones in the area. But this is just a statue. It's a monument in the middle. It's not a tomb for anybody. But it's even got like this like lightning bolt that comes out the back on the ground. And that's pretty amazing. I don't see monuments like that too often. And you can tell that's a sculptor, I believe. It's kind of hard to read. Sean Guerrero, 93. Pretty amazing. Here's the lightning bolt. So a little quiet repose here. It's pretty out here. There's the sculpture down at the end there, past the lightning bolt. But here's the here's what it's for. Well, it's a little cloudy, but it's kind of breaking up. Today it's time to go on the Texas State Railroad. And I gotta go get my ticket and get all... Uh-oh. I better hurry. Sound like he's ready to get out of here. Oh boy. And look over there. That's some of the... That's part of the train we're gonna be on. Texas State Railroad from Palestine to Rusk. And don't you forget it. Oh, that's a map of Palestine. That's where I'm leaving. But they're fixing to load up. They got to take on water down there. They got the water tower and everything. Woohoo! Petticoat Junction style. Souvenirs and stuff. And you can get some ammunition in case we have a robbery along the way. Better stock up. We have some different memorabilia and stuff here in the station. Pretty high ceiling, so that's good. And here we go. Getting everything ready. Pretty good crowd. Pretty good crowd for this train ride.
32.
You can't swim in that one like Billy Joe, Bobby Joe, and Betty Joe. Almost time to go.
At this time, we are ready to begin boarding. First class car 45. First class car 45.
Ooh.
Please make your way up to the water tower.
45, that's me.
Board car 42.
I better get going.
The dog car and
But that's the train up there. Look, the engine smoking and shooting smoke out everywhere.
dog car board at this time.
We're ready to roll. You can fall down the steps, or you can just keep going. I'm gonna keep going. This is my car, I believe. You keep going. This is the open air car. This is pretty cool. You got ready to catch a good breeze, but they got ceiling fans, so that's pretty cool. I didn't know they had those. Pretty cool. I better go sit down and shut up or I'm gonna get in trouble. But there's the woods. And there's some other train tracks. And there's some steps to fall down if you want to. There's some water. We're moving now. And I'm excited because I did get some snacks. I got some peanuts. I got some goldfish. And some mozz. Little jelly fruit snacky things. But we just got started. And right now we're going through some woods. We'll keep an eye out for other stuff happening, and we'll see where we end up. Kind of watching for Bigfoot too. See if there's any big feet out there. I see some old railroad ties on the side every once in a while. Well, this is fun. Yeah, I don't want to fall down the steps at this point. It would be rough. It would be pretty rough. We're wobbling around. There we go. Creaking and moaning. Kind of like having sea legs, like the waiter guy back there can like stand and take orders and stuff while everybody's like bouncing around and stuff. Yeah. That'd be cool. I think we're passing over a bridge. That's a pretty long way down.
After a strong play from the citizen of Palestine, Texas State
This is a trading post. This is Maydale. This is the old. Cool. Yeah. Oh, look, this guy. That guy's having fun. It's like me. There's Billy's goat farm. That's quite an operation. Oh, there's another one. There they are. Getting up toward the front. We're slowing down a little bit. Oh. Look who's here. Around the curve. Everybody, open the door, the mail's here. All right, well, we have arrived in Rusk for lunch, and we'll see what I get for lunch, because I have pre-ordered a lunch, and you'll like it. This could be it's a dandy. Here's a depot here in Rusk. And right on the other side is where I'm gonna go pick up my lunch. And look, back over there, you see the front of the train, the engine and everything. And there's a big blue dumpster too. Cool. Here's what I got for lunch. The Gandy dancer. Yep, that's what they used to call me back in the day. This is a barbecue pulled pork sandwich. But to the friends, it's the Gandy dancer. But now I'm gonna check out my Gandy dancer. Let's see. Let's see it. Oh. Some chips. And here's my sandwich. A giant foil sandwich. That's quite an angle. Look, the giant elbow. It's pulled pork. Pulled pork. That looks pretty good. It is good. Finish this, I'm gonna have to do a Gandy dance once we get on the train again. Then we'll do it on the ground. There's some other stuff at the Rusk end of it. You can camp, you can picnic. They got this big pavilion. Listen to this, this is pretty cool.
Do you want this restroom or do you want the other restroom?
It's got a fire pit right in the middle. And you can set your stuff on fire. If you're tired of your food, you can throw that and burn it up and sit and look at the lake. There's a nice breeze comes through here too. Good reason for leaving it open like that. Pretty cool. Oh, and there's bathrooms. This ought to be pretty cool. That's COO, cool. It's gonna be cool. So, hang on. Because that's the back of the train. Or it was the back of the train. Now we're gonna see what else is happening to it. There's something's gonna happen. And I'm just warning you. So be ready. It's gonna happen. Stuff back here, and I'm not crossing the track though, because it'll run me over flatter than a peanut if peanuts were flat. Here he comes. Look at that. There he goes. They got to get past that little point over there, then they're gonna back up and run over my foot. Unless I move it. I think I'm gonna stay off the tracks for a while. Watch this. Almost. Now, it's gonna hit that little switcheroo over there. Watch this. And he's hitting it. There it goes. He hit the switcheroo. Now, when he backs up, he's going to go on that other track and ram right into the back of the train that's sitting there. Oh, excuse me. Here he comes. Hang on. Here he comes. This is steam. It don't happen instantly. Some people, this is taking too long, but you know what? That's how it's supposed to be. So get over it. Here it comes. Crash show. Nope. Crash show. That was a crash show. There we go. I better get back to my seat. Try to get on board and take my seat in both hands and ride. Kids still wonder whether it's real fire. Look right between those R's down there. That's real fire. Yep. Well, we just are pulling out of Rust.
Enjoy the countryside. We're still walking.
There's the station. There we go. Oh, here's the goat farm again. Look, there they are.
The rise of the Iron Horse was to resume.
It's a whole flock of them.
With the appointment of Cherokee Kansas and Jack Stone.
There they go.
Space Shuttle and STS-106 were on their re-entry to the space seat on board. Oh yeah. Traveling at 12,000 miles.
Yeah, this is the fancy car. Fancy. Governor's ride on this one. And all kind of stuff. So I'm not a governor, so I didn't ride in this part. But this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. And look out the window there. And that's the back of the oil tank for the engine. Let's see. Come on out, everybody. Whoa. And here I am. And that's where it came out. That's a little balcony right here. That's pretty cool. This is where you give your speeches from if they didn't have the locomotive right there. And there's the locomotive. There's people everywhere taking pictures. That's what got us back. Oh wow. Look down. That was all right. Like a friend of mine used to say. Actually still does sometimes. That's pretty cool. That was fun. Real life steam train. Do it. Well, all that was sure fun, but we're not done with Texas yet. Keep an eye out for the next Look Dad!